What up, YouTube? It's your boy Marty IT, man. Welcome to the channel again. Today, you see in the background, we got this slow ass cat that we're gonna do some modifications to it today, man. I think today we are doing a couple things. We are doing front brakes, and we're doing a chill intercooler on the car. For you guys wondering what's an intercooler, it's the supercharger warm. Not warm, but cool. I was capping, guys. To keep the car cool, man. It's like a turbo car. The guys sit in the front of the car, and you will see it when you look at the car. It's gonna keep the engine not to go overheat, and it's going to not give you a lot of horse, but help you with the power we are putting on this car in a couple of days. Here is the box. Shout out to my boys. No sponsor, no shout out. But y'all can see it from the packaging, man. Hey, shout out to them. Not gonna say it because it's pre-sponsored. But here's everything it comes with. We got the coolant hose right here. We got the bracket to mount it to the stock intercooler. Hey, y'all can use this code. There you go. Hey, we got instructions right here, boys. Easy, baby. Easy, but y'all gonna see the video how we do this. We got some connectors, some fittings, whatever you want to call it. And here we go, boys. Yo, Rich Stitches, where you at, man? Hey, right here, guys. You can see right here is the mounting brackets right here. 4 bolts. And it should land right here. It's supposed to be look like this, basically, when we all done. Hey, don't mind it. We broke it. I let Rich Stitches drive it the other day. He broke it. He broke my diffuser. Never let this guy drive a car, man. Hey, now we're gonna take the bumper off. Let me stop talking. I talk a lot. Take the bumper off, and I'll catch you back in a few.
Alright, guys, so here we are with the HELLCAT, the 1300 horsepower HELLCAT. So we're gonna start taking off the bumper. We're gonna start taking off all these little push pins. We gotta take all that, and then I'm pretty sure we gotta hit this was that screw, and then there should be another one on the other side. There might be one behind this wheel well, so I don't really know too much about Dodge, but today I'm gonna learn, so we just gonna get right to it and let's get it.
Alright, guys, we took all the clips that are up here. There's a lot of clips, guys. There's like 10 clips here, and then the wheel well, you have a 10 millimeters and clips over here, both sides. And after you do that, basically you grab the bumper and you slowly, guys, you gotta be gentle.
What the heck?
Oh, we found a screw.
We just found a random freaking screw.
We found a screw.
Alright.
Alright, guys, it was a headache. There's screws right here that you have to go up. You gotta take this off right here, basically. And then I'm gonna pull out the bumper right here. You can see the screw hole. It's right here, basically. You got 1 and 2. You got 2
right
screws.
In the middle.
Yeah, it's right in the middle, basically. You got 1 and 2. So make sure you gotta find this one and this one. These 2 right here. If not, I'm not gonna take it off. If not, we just pull the bumper off.
Watch out, watch the wires.
Oh, wires. Unplug those side motors. There you go.
These are easy. You just pull the tab down and then you just pull it out. Okay.
Hey guys, we had to rewire these, guys. We had to rewire because the old ones were not good. And don't mind my shitty ass work. This is homemade. Don't mind it. And guys, it's right here in the front. We do have a small chill cooler for the supercharger. It's right here. Now we're gonna upgrade it to this bad boy. right here, and it's gonna sit like this basically, right here in the back. But y'all don't see how we install this, so stay tuned, baby. Alright guys, these instructions I asked, they didn't pay attention to these. Now we got the little fittings that we're about to put on. First one goes right here in the side, here, bam, bam, bam. What I recommend, put some more oil so it can go down a little bit faster, and make sure you have an Allen keys, not Allen keys, but something to tighten these up basically. I'm doing by hand right now. I'm gonna get a tool to make sure they are tight, so I have no coolant leaks basically. And then the other one, the last one that you see in the box right here, so make sure you put all these, oh shit, make sure you put it right here. Oh man, bam. Alright, I'm gonna keep going, so I'm gonna show you all the other steps. After you do all that, you put this little brackets that come with the long piece and mounts to the bracket. So this right here will go on top of the metal stud right there. There you can see it. So make sure you go boom, boom. Make sure you get your little nut. Bam, bam, bam. Same thing with the other side. The longer piece. Bam. You tighten this up. They're supposed to be like this basically. You tighten them up, and I'll show you how to do it. Let me tighten all this up and I'll be back. Oh man guys, this has been a nightmare. Ah, we got it boys, look. We put the bracket up, we put the little connectors on, and then what's the other one at? In the bottom right there, you put this one on, tighten that one. So basically it's supposed to go like this, guys. Make sure when you guys do it, make sure y'all don't mess up the old your original radiator. But if not, y'all gonna bye-bye. It's supposed to sit like this basically. Bam. But I'm not gonna put it on right now because I gotta put this bracket in the bottom, and I'll show you how to do that bracket right now. Alright guys, so this is the bracket right here. This is gonna hold the intercooler in the bottom basically. So it comes with bolts and screws. So bam, one over here, one over here. We have a little tool right here, you know. If you don't have this tool, recommend it 100%, man, 100%. And then tighten a little bit. Make sure nothing's in your way when you're doing it. Bam. There you go guys, that's a bracket. And those brackets are for this piece right here. These two screws basically right here. Same thing, bolt, nut, and you should be good. So it's supposed to sit right here like this. Right here you're gonna have to trim out, cut this out basically right here, because of the no lines that we have to run from here. You're gonna have to cut a piece of this right here. Bam. So we're gonna cut it and we could be back. Alright guys, so y'all can see we trimmed that piece out right there. So we trimmed this out basically. We also have to trim this out basically. This piece right here, we have to trim it out so this can fit basically. So this is how it looks basically. And zoom out right there, that's how it looks. And then you can see the little brackets that we put right here. They give you, the kit comes with 2 screws, 2 tap cons. Yeah, I have to do it. Right here, bam, bam. They go in there, and you go like that, man. And now, man. And then right here, you can see the bottom, the little bracket right here. Let me see, I can see it right here. Right here, 1, 2. Make sure you put those on. We have to tighten those up yet. And then we're about to show y'all how to connect those in a couple minutes. Alright guys, we got it. We got it all installed. We got it all looking nice and sexy, you know. Alright, now it's time to connect. So just your nose, they give you a long hose, so you're gonna have to cut it. The top piece right here, this line will go to this line right here to the bottom one. So right here, basically, the top one will go right here. The bottom line from this, it will go to this, to right here, basically.
Yep.
Right here. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna disconnect this. Because most likely this is gonna have coolant. You can already see the coolant coming out. There you go, guys. This is how it's going to be. Bam, bam, bam. Drain the coolant. You see the top one already. Got no coolant. Bam, bam. And then right here we take this clip off too. Guys, make sure you have the right tools, man. I was lazy to go to my car to get my tools, but a little bit more, boys. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Alright. Alright. Oh man. Alright, guys. Shit blowing me now.
There you go.
There you go. Like that, guys. There you go, boy. Look. This, bye-bye. We don't need this no more. So, guys, this is the hose that we're going to have to cut. And then we're gonna do like a little montage. Yeah, see the quick ways.
Yeah, this don't even matter. I'll just quiet this down and put like a little music over it or some shit.
This is gonna be hard to play.
Yeah, that's probably gonna be the hard part. Yeah, just wiggle it like that a couple times and then I'll just fix it on the video. I'll just remember that one's plastic, so I'm gonna go crazy. This one's metal, so if you want to tighten this one more, you probably could. Shit. Yeah, we call it like that 'cause I don't want to rip the hose either.
Alright, guys, we got the heat exchanger all installed, man. Looking nice and cute and beautiful. You can see the hoses wrapped around over there. Now we about to turn the car on to see if any leaks. Hey, y'all see any leaks? Let me know. Hey, peep the Corsair sauce though. Alright guys, y'all saw the process of installing the chill cooler. Guys, if you are thinking about going to a track and doing a lot of racing in your car, this is a beautiful setup. After this, we do got an appointment soon to get a 180 thermostat, and that's gonna help the car a lot. So if you have a car, a HELLCAT, any supercharger car, the blower gets hot. The engine gets hot in general, especially with the supercharger. The supercharger get hot in general. These superchargers, they have cooler bricks. So they have, you see this little notch right here in the supercharger, right here and then right here. They have, it's a block. It's basically a big block that is like a filter that coolant runs to it to keep the engine cool and the supercharger cool. And then with everything we added today with this, and then next week when we add the 180 thermostat, it's gonna make a big difference. It's gonna keep the car cool. Especially that we are thinking about doing track on this car, track on the Mustang, and street racing and stuff like that. So we're doing all the stuff to basically support what we want to do, basically. Because I want to save the engine, basically. I don't want to make it overheat. I don't want to just throw mods, and then the engine blows up, man. So if you be in your car and if you drive it a lot, I recommend doing this, man. Hey, thank you for watching the video, man. Stay tuned, man. Hey, this might be the third or fourth video that we posted, but guys, we try and get up there, man. We try and get up there, man. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment or DM me on Instagram, MarioRT, or DM Free Stitches on his YouTube page or Instagram, man. Hey, catch you on the next one.